Hello all, it's your girl Kaylee, founder of ZippNada, a sustainable lifestyle brand, and this video is a little bit different than my usual videos. It's more of a mini vlog of a trip I took to San Diego. It's also celebrating the first 100 subscribers on this channel. Thank you so much for the love. And it's also a little bit of an update of what's going on, so buckle up. So let's kind of start from the beginning. I met this groovy guy right here at One Love Festival, and we didn't get to connect until the last night of the festival, but we ended up staying in touch. He invited me to come out to San Diego to try out the markets, and we found that we made a pretty gosh darn wonderful team. So long story short, and sparing all the juicy tea and details, we are going to be traveling around the country, going on tour, and we will be spreading the zero waste message. He actually owns an amazing hemp hat business, so the two of our stuff goes together pretty well, so we're going to be traveling around. And so this channel is going to change slightly a little bit. It's still going to be focused on zero waste and sustainability, but it's going to be through more of a traveler's lens, as well as more rural America, which is what I still already talk about. So just a little bit of an update going on there. Hope you guys are having a beautiful day. Thank you so much for the support. It really means a lot, and I look forward to creating some more content on this crazy new journey. As always, have a beautiful day.